Okay everybody, quick lightning class with Rabbit Boy. Surveys and questionnaires are all well and good, but do you know what psychographic maps are? The study of the behavior and lifestyle of a group as a whole. All put down in a schematic and blueprint that lets everyone know, including the designers, exactly what to appeal to when it comes to a certain demographic or a certain culture. In articles by both Dr. Arya Babai and Tamara Erminger Underwood, both articles explain that it's not exactly just the overall lifestyle that is being studied and broken down into information, it is the individual cultural aspects themselves of the people that take part of said psychographic analysis. And not take part as in they actively participate in it, take part as in they're being studied to see what mostly appeals to them specifically. But Rabbit Boy, no questions, lightning round. Brand attention is the next thing I'm going to be talking about. The ability of being able to capture the attention of the consumer and maintain it into one focal aspect of the brand itself so that they're able to, well, be sold better into it. After all, capturing attention is important, but maintaining it is even more essential to the process. In an article written by Sarah Martinez and sponsored by Integral Ad Science, it says that while capturing user attention is important, maintaining it gives an average 57% increase in conversions from products. That's pretty good if you ask me. And in another article by Alison Tilling, it says that attention builds memory. Memory provides retention. Retention equals an increase in consumer value. It talks a lot about the peak end theory, in which it says that our brains outweigh the end of any experience and its emotive peak. Whether it be positive or negative, the brain will always remember, and that can be used to maintaining said attention. But Rabbit Boy! I said shut up! Sorry, I did not mean to scream at you, Timothy. And for the last concept that I will describe in great detail, because I think it is the most important concept that you can find when it comes to the overall topic of branding. A brand is not a logo. It is the identity of the business. Colors, typography, imagery, and overall design is something that gives the business itself a visual identity, but it's not what defines it. The brand defines it, and the brand is defined by the public perception, by what the audience forms it to be. This happens over a long period of time. It's not overnight. In an article sponsored by Anvil Marketing Co. and made by Juliana Gray, a brand needs to have emotional connection with the target audience. It needs to mean something for said audience. Another article made by Lauren M. Hunt. Logo identity builds brand recognition, but it does not build the brand. It states that branding is an ongoing process, never stopping, never fading. And with that, I bid my goodbyes. See ya. Oh my lord, he just left us here again!